Hello, what is up everyone? RFD Sun ToysReview here, back with yet another diecast car video, and based on the previous comments, someone asked me to review this Rimac Nevera. And by the way, we have moved on to the C case of 2023. And yes, this is the Rimac Nevera that you asked for. Number 4 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Green Speed. Number 70 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Rimac Nevera, and as you can see, this is more of like a hypercar-ish car, obviously. If you don't know Rimac has done pretty awesome hypercars, I would say. It's very cool. They even have done the Rimac C2, if you might known before. The Rimac C2 is one of the powerful hypercars, but it's not the fastest in the world currently, obviously. But yeah, this is the Rimac Nevera in this metal flake blue, which is pretty cool. Yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Here it is, Rimac Nevera in this metal flake dark blue, and as you can see, well, it's half metal, half plastic, as you can see. Obviously, this part is metal, the whole part is, but when it came to the bottom half, it became plastic. As you can see, it's connected to the base. But yeah, it's kind of obvious that this is metal and this is plastic. Wish this would be metal actually, but yeah. So you have these 5-spoke star type of wheels, and they're starting to fade away because it's chrome, obviously. Yeah, you have some black bits, plastic bits and pieces right there. Yeah, there's the side, pretty clean and nice. Moving on to the front, as you can see, it kind of seems like a happy car. You can see that the grille shape kind of looks like a smile, sort of, kind of. But yeah, you have some black bits and pieces over there. You have the bit of the grill right there. Then you have the headlights, which are properly stickered right there, which is pretty cool. And the Rimac logo over there. You have the hood scoop right there, pretty cool. Yeah, by the way, this car actually opens up like a Mercedes SLS AMG, where it opens up like the butterfly wing doors, which is pretty nice. Yeah, very cool car. Moving on to the back, obviously you have the rear lights, which is pretty nice right there. They've did a bit of stickering right there. And then as you can see, the back is fully black actually. Yeah, you have the rear diffusers, but I do not see the exhaust pipe. Do you see it? I'm not sure it is. Yeah, you have this massive rear spoiler, which kinda looks like it's stolen from the Lotus Avaya, sort of, kind of. If you don't know the Lotus Avaya, I've done a review about it in dark green, and it's soon gonna come in dark maroon from the Diecast. So yeah, better stay tuned for that. But yeah, it kinda seems like a Rimac Nevera, Lotus Avaya's rear spoiler for some reason. But yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, by the way, it has a black interior, as you can see right there, and well, the windows aren't very tinted, which is pretty nice. And yes, you have the plastic blue base right here. It says Rimac Nevera, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. I'm not sure whether you say Nevera or Nevera. I'm not sure, because I know it's Nevera, but yeah, I think it's Nevera supposedly. But yeah, pretty nice casting, not gonna lie. Even though this is their first casting, this is actually the first casting of the Rimac Nevera, and I believe this is the first Rimac, if I can recall again. I don't think Mattel has ever done a Rimac previously, which is pretty cool. I hope they will do a C2 soon. You might know the Rimac C2, which I'm quite excited about. That's a pretty nice car to make, and hopefully they'll do that, and hopefully we'll see this car return in several colors, maybe like in red or maybe maroon, dark maroon sort of, or maybe even I don't think it suits in yellow, maybe in black would be great, metallic black, or maybe plain white. I would say it would be pretty cool if they've done different colors like that, or maybe it might even come to premium, which yeah, I'm quite excited if they've made it into premium, maybe like exotic NV3, I guess. Who knows, maybe this casting might come, who knows. The people from Mattel maybe might be doing that soon, who knows. But yeah, awesome looking casting, loving the color and the car itself. Obviously it can be a very nice casting, and it might be a great looking hypercar for 2023, who knows. Or maybe there will be more hypercars, who knows, like the Koenigsegg Gemera from last year, and maybe even the Koenigsegg Jesko from 2020. And yeah, that is it for today's video. That's my review of the Rimac Nevera. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.